these at my local grocery outlet. They're Rota8 lights. Small little puck lights with a rotating base. Here's the UPC if you want to look it up. I couldn't find them on Amazon, but they might be another place. Usually grocery outlet has discontinued items, so hopefully you could find them, because they're pretty cool. Little puck lights detach from the base and swivel 60 degrees. There's a magnet on back, and there's also a little sticky adhesive that you could peel off and stick it to places. I like how these rotate. I thought that was pretty cool. I think these are really cool to use for your GI Joes. My magnet came off on that one. They also have a tab to keep the batteries from touching while in the package, which I thought was pretty cool. I really like how these turn on. You just turn the base. And it's really cool how they also stick to metal surfaces. And with the swivel base, you could position them in any position. I think these would be cool to use for your GI Joes just as lights, or even just use them in your photography, because they can stick in places and light places up, which I thought was pretty neat. The light itself is really bright. It says it's 60 lumens, and they're not kidding. It really lights up the surface nicely. These do detach from the base. I also think it's pretty cool you get 6 of them in a box or package. I had these other little lights that they reviewed some time ago. Here's the link for that in the description box below. These are not too bad in size. You could probably build like a stand for these to sit on. That might be a project coming up soon. We'll see. The button lights that I reviewed some time ago are also pretty bright. The disappointing thing about these is that the batteries don't come out. With these ones, it takes 2 coin-sized batteries. These are pretty typical for like key fobs and stuff. R20 32s. You can find these pretty cheap if you look in the right places. Some places you could pick them up for less than $7 a piece. The paper sticker also is removable if you wanted to peel that off and create your own custom sticker. I think these are pretty nice to have, and they're a good size for your GI Joes. I think they'll make nice little camp lights. I don't know if I'll be able to use them as lanterns in themselves. Might have to build a base or something for them to fit in, but that's an idea. These little puck lights that I reviewed earlier, I think they'd make a really cool little lantern, because they're a nice size. In all, I think I like these ones with the rotating base the best. You'll have to look around, see if you can find them at your local grocery outlet. I think they're a pretty good deal. I paid $7.99 for these, and it's $7.99 for 6 little lights, which is not too bad. Let me know what you think. Do you think these would be worth it? It's hard to find little lights that would work with your GI Joes, so drop me a comment. Let me know what you think. I think they're pretty cool. Until next time, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing. Follow me on social media. Want to help support this channel? Become a Patreon member. Until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.